Okay, in this video, let's take a look at the Autoresponder integration. Now, there's two places that you can currently configure your autoresponders. The first is this tab right here that says WordPress plugin, and you see that we've got options here. Or you can come to your drop-down menu here and click on API integration. And from here, we have several autoresponders that are automatically integrated with LeadMonster. So you can connect with Aweber, GetResponse, GoToWebinar, MailChimp, and SendReach. Now, each one of these has different requirements. For instance, if I want to connect with Aweber, I'll click this button, and it's going over to the Aweber API. So the first thing I need to do is enter my login name as well as my password. And as soon as I click Allow Access, it now authenticated my account. You do the same thing with GetResponse, only you're going to enter your API key. If we come over here to GoToWebinar, it's going to work the same way. We're going to click Connect with GoToWebinar. And now it wants us to log in. So I'll go ahead and log in with my webinar account. And I'll click Sign In. And now you see that Citrix, which is GoToWebinar, is asking, do you give access? We're going to go ahead and say Allow, and that's it. Now, GoToWebinar is connected. We do the same exact thing with MailChimp. It wants an API token, and then we have SendReach. With SendReach, it's a little bit more complicated. You put in your user ID, your API token, and then it gives you an API secret. And then what you do is you save the token, and you are integrated with SendReach. This down here at the bottom has nothing to do with the API integrations. This is a WordPress plugin that you would install on your WordPress site. Now, you may be saying, well, what if I have other autoresponders that are not listed in this menu? Once your campaign is created, you'll come back over here to the dashboard, and let's go ahead and look at this campaign right here. We'll come over here to this little envelope. We'll go ahead and click this, and now you see that we've got this drop down for the specific autoresponder. Now remember, these autoresponders right here, I've already configured. I did it in this video, Aweber and GoToWebinar. But we also have other options here as well. For instance, if you want to use Infusionsoft, you click this here, and you go ahead and paste in your firm code and your field names, and that's it. Now you're integrated with other responders as well. So if you have an autoresponder that we are not integrated with, well, no problem. We pretty much accept any autoresponder that has an HTML form. And if you have an autoresponder that is not listed here, well, click on Other, and you should be able to go ahead and use this. Okay? That's how easily you integrate LeadMonster with your autoresponder.